Good morning, my dear Don Bosco teachers. Today in India, we are celebrating Teachers' Day, a wonderful day to remember all of you. A good teacher is the one who has the capacity to transform other souls and touch someone's lives. And that is the mission that you are doing in our school too. You are so precious to us. And so on this joyful occasion, we wish you all the best, and on behalf of the management, Father Rector also gives his special regards, prayers and wishes. Joining with other Salesians, we too wish you a happy Teachers' Day. May your service be a joyful, a wonderful one, so that our students may gain and benefit from you. May God bless you. All the best.
Good morning to all of you gathered here to celebrate the special occasion, the Teachers' Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and to talk about the main personalities of the day, our very own teachers. It is well known fact that every year we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher par excellence and also one of the successful presidents of India. Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offered their respect to teachers in recognition of their contribution in the field of education. I'd like to share some of the qualities about our very own fathers and teachers. Reverend Father Alphonse Philip, Rector STB, a good singer, a good motivator, a very good speaker. Reverend Father Principal Father Matthias, STB, a polite person, a great planner, very sincere in his duties, a responsible person. Father Raphael, a pardon, confessor STB, a very active person, a good confessor, a good teacher, has great fluency in speaking English. Brother Francis, Warden of Bosco Hostel STB, a friendly person, a good communicator of his experience, a responsible person, a good advisor. Reverend Father Joe Anand, Administrator STB, a very simple man, a very active person, very humble. Brother Alex, STB, a good musician, a humble person, a responsible person. Ma'am Devasena, a good social science teacher, has the knowledge of different methods of teaching social science, a good trainer. Sir Dhanraj, சிறந்த தமிழ் ஆசிரியர், பாடம் சார்ந்த சிறந்த விளக்கங்களை அளிப்பவர், மாணவர்களின் கற்கும் திறனை மேம்படுத்தும் திறன் படைத்தவர். Ma'am Parimla Devi, a good science teacher, a teacher who shows special care on students' learning, a friendly teacher. Ma'am Ilavarasi, a good English teacher, concentrates more on the reading skills of students. She also concentrates more on their learning, a good explainer. Ma'am Chitra, a very experienced English teacher, has wide knowledge about the subject, a good grammar explainer. Sir Silamban, சிறந்த தமிழ் ஆசிரியர், சிறந்த பேச்சாளர், சிறந்த பாடம் சார்ந்த விளக்கம் அளிக்கும் திறன் படைத்தவர், சிறந்த நகைச்சுவை திறன் படைத்தவர். Sir Saravanan, a good mathematics teacher, also a good statistician, a friendly teacher. He has the ability to explain both the subjects in an easier way, a good dancer. Sir Sunil Kumar, a good science teacher, also a good chemistry teacher, a good dancer, has the ability to train students in various methods for their exams, a good explainer. Sir Srinivasan, a very good mathematician, a friendly teacher, a good advisor. He has the ability to teach mathematical problems in a way that students can easily understand. Sir Vijay, a good social science teacher and also a good English teacher, a good trainer. He has the ability to explain the lessons in a unique way. Sir Venu Pratap, a very good English teacher, a friendly teacher, good connector of English lessons with real world applications, a good motivator. Ma'am Ilaveni, a good science teacher, also a good botany and zoology teacher. She teaches students a lot of important points about the subject and makes learning easy for the students. Ma'am Anandi, a good accounts teacher, a good commerce teacher. She has wide knowledge about both the subjects, a good explainer. Sir Karthikeyan, a very good chemistry teacher. He has the ability to engage students at a high level, very much concerned about the students' performance in their exams. Sir Arun Kumar, a very good mathematics teacher, has wide knowledge about various information, also has wide knowledge about the subject, has the ability to teach various methods for a mathematical problem or sum. Sir Ramesh Kumar, a great economics teacher, a friendly teacher. He easily understands the student's attitude, a great trainer, has the ability to teach lessons in an easier way and also makes it easy for the students to learn. Sir Manikandan, a good physics teacher, a good motivator, a good explainer. Sir Kumaravel, சிறந்த தமிழ் ஆசிரியர், எளிய முறையில் பாடங்களை நடத்தும் திறன் உள்ளவர், மாணவர்களுக்கு எழுத்துக்கள் மற்றும் வார்த்தைகளை உச்சரிக்கும் போது ஏற்படும் பிழைகளை திருத்துவார். Sir Arul Prakash, a good science teacher, a good physics teacher, a good maths teacher, a responsible teacher, has the ability to connect the topics, the lesson with reality and explain them to the students in an easier way. Ma'am Kavita, சிறந்த தமிழ் ஆசிரியை, சிறந்த விளக்கங்களை தரும் ஆற்றல் படைத்தவர், எளிய முறையில் மாணவர்களுக்கு பாடங்களை புரிய வைக்கும் ஆற்றல் உடையவர். Sir John Bosco, a computer expert, has a wide knowledge about the subject, very active person, a creative thinker. Sir Uday Kumar, a good PT teacher, great football coach, good communicator of various helpful information to increase students' knowledge. Sir Rosario, a good PT teacher, great basketball coach, very bound in his duties, a state player in handball. Here are some of the points about the primary staff. Ma'am Sangeeta, a good singer, very pious. Ma'am Nithila M, a responsible person. Ma'am Panimalar, a creative person. Ma'am Kalayarasi, a good Tamil poem writer. Ma'am Jasmine Divya, a good dancer. Ma'am Jai Sheila, a straightforward person, a humorous person. Ma'am Rani, a helpful person, a smiling beauty. Ma'am Gaurishwari, a good sports player, a responsible person. Ma'am Purnima, a good dancer. Ma'am Nirmala Rani, a good singer. Ma'am Sai Manohari, a caring person. Ma'am Jeevita, a helpful person. Ma'am Gomati, a very sincere person. Ma'am Lavanya, a very responsible person. Ma'am Nithila, very sincere, very responsible. Here are some of the points about our office staff. Sir Etiraj, a very active person, very sincere in his work, very responsible person. Sir Irudayam, a very simple person, a responsible person, a very humble person. Sir Sagai Raj, a computer expert, a simple person, a responsible person. Sir Karunanidhi, very sincere, very humble and very responsible. Brother Justin has great helping tendency, very sincere and responsible person, a very active person. Brother Felix, great electrician, very simple and active, a very responsible person. Without his help, we can't speak with the help of mic in the assembly. Ma'am Sumati, a very active person, a very supportive person, very sincere in his work. Ma'am Lakshmi, a very supportive staff, a very responsible person, humble in her work. A special mention about our school's honorable supportive staffs: Mrs. Sujata, Mrs. Satya, Mrs. Manjula, Mrs. Salomi, Mrs. Bhavani, Mrs. Sivagami, Mr. Balraman and Mr. Rajkumar, our school watchman, and Mr. Devraj. They are the best of our school. Because of them, our school is safe and clean. Once again, I thank all our fathers, teaching and non-teaching staffs for all your hard works and giving us this special opportunity to thank you all. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.